What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be talking about an easy shoulder movement you can do without any equipment. So we're going to start with our arms at shoulder level, palms facing down, okay? So from here, all we're going to be doing is we're going to be leaning and reaching to each side of us. So whichever side you're going to be reaching toward, that side you're going to be rotating your palm up and leaning a little bit, coming back to the center, rotate the other side, and lean that way, okay? Now you don't have to lean super far. All we're trying to focus on here is getting the shoulders loosened up and get the muscles a little looser, okay? So you can start by just holding your arms out like this for a couple seconds, and then slowly work in the lean a little bit. So luckily I have a couple doors on either side of me, so I can go until I'm touching each door. And then after that, we can start adding in the rotation of the arm, okay? So you don't have to have the lean in there, so what that'll look like if you don't have the lean, keep the palms facing down to start. Just try to reach as far as you can out there. That's gonna be stretching all the muscles in your chest here, your bicep, and your shoulder, and your tricep a little bit, okay? So we're gonna be going like that. Make sure we keep that other side facing down, whichever side you're not leaning to. And just a slow and controlled motion. Okay, so starting from here, palms facing down, palms facing up. You can even work this in a little bit just to kind of get used to your arms moving back and forth like that. And then from there, turn one palm down, one palm up, reach to the palm up side, and then reach to the other side. Okay? So without the lean, we're going to be just reaching a little bit like that, reaching a little bit like that, coming back to the center each time. Okay? So give that one a try, let me know how it goes. Make sure you leave a like and a comment if you like this video, and let me know what you want to see out of future videos. Hope everyone's having a great day. See you later.